Dear friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will be making butter chicken, which originates from northern India. This is a recipe which is very easy to make and it's very smooth and creamy. I'm sure you will enjoy the video. To start off, we will take 700 grams of chicken and add half cup yogurt into it. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Next, we will mix the spices and the chicken so that a uniform mixture is obtained. After mixing, we will marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Once this chicken is marinated for 30 minutes, it will be ready to be fried. Now we will pour quarter cup oil into a pan and set them heat to medium settings. We will now add the marinated chicken cubes into the pan one by one. Please make sure you do not stack them on the top of each other. On a rough guide, please fry the chicken cubes 3 minutes on each side. After 6 minutes of frying, take out the chicken on a plate. Now we will prepare the sauce for butter chicken. In this process, we will add quarter cup oil into a pan. Please make sure the heat is set to medium settings. Now in this oil, we will add 80 grams of butter. In a spiral motion, mix the butter and oil together. Next, we will fry 1 diced onion and fry till light golden color is achieved. Once this light golden color is achieved, we will add 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste. Please stir and fry to mix the garlic and ginger paste and fried onions. After this, we will add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon salt, and fry for a minute. After frying for a minute, we will add 3 chopped tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, we will saute them for 4 to 5 minutes. Once the tomatoes are sauteed, we will add 2 tablespoons cashew nuts and stir and fry them for a minute. The last step in making the butter chicken sauce is adding 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Once the tomato puree is added, we will stir and fry, and after this we will put this masala into a blender. Please add quarter cup water into the blender so that the sauce is not very thick. Please blend the sauce and the ingredients into a fine and smooth paste, as shown in the video. In our next step, we will put this butter chicken sauce into a pan and add the chicken cubes. After adding chicken cubes, we will stir and fry for 2 minutes. After frying for 2 minutes, it is now time to add 40 grams of butter, half cup of cream and half cup of milk. After adding all these ingredients, we will slowly stir and fry for 3 minutes. After frying and cooking for 3 minutes, your butter chicken should be somewhat similar to the one shown in the video. At this stage, we will add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Please stir to mix the kasuri methi into our butter chicken. By placing the lid for 3 minutes, we are making sure that the aroma and the taste of kasuri methi mixes with our butter chicken. As shown in the video, we can see our butter chicken is very smooth and creamy. Our butter chicken is ready and can be served with naan, boiled rice or garlic naan. You can garnish the butter chicken with coriander and cream. With this, it is goodbye from us from today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones.